So good morning. So today we're going to prune back our roses, and let me show you. Amazing. So we've inherited this old rosebush on the end of my plot, and the roses are amazing, but it's a mess and it needs sorting. So let's have a go sorting this out. So this is a lovely looking plant and it needs some looking after. The roses are amazing. So it's worth spending some time to get this clear. So the first job of the day is to clear all the weeds and all the debris underneath so we can see what we were working on. So our first job is to cut away any old and dying wood. Cut them back to an outer facing bud. You can normally tell that by snapping a bit off, and if it's brittle, it's dead. So I've chopped that away at an angle so the water can run off. the next stem to find any stems that have died and to cut them back. So our next job is to remove and deadhead all the old flowers. And we're moving these back to a bud. And we're just going to go through and clear out all the dead heads. We're removing any of the fruits that have been created and removing the dead heads. So here we can see the flowers died, and here we've got some new growth coming. So we're just going to chop away this, and that's done. So we're looking to see if any other branches are rubbing against each other or going crossways, so they can be removed. So I'm going to remove these two. And this one. So we've cut some of these lower branches that are protruding outwards, and we've cut them at an angle, so when they regrow, they will grow upwards. So with our trellis in place, we can now train the plant to grow along the trellis. So we're getting this branch to go this way, and these branches to go that way, and the central ones are going straight up. So now here we have our rosebush, and it's been deadheaded, and the dead branches have been removed, and now the branches are being trained along the trellis we made. So really pleased with what we've done, and we look forward to seeing another bloom. Lovely. So pretty. Just lovely smells. So we look forward to seeing the rest of it grow. So this is one of the cuttings that I've taken off, and to save waste I'm going to try grow some cuttings from this. So these are quite well established roots. These are actually dark green where the new ones were purple. So I'm just going to maybe take this stem, and we're going to cut it off by the node at an angle. And then we're going to remove these leaves and remove the dead bit, remove the fruit, and we're going to leave that. So we can put some compound onto the roots. And then we just take our box and we stick it in. We're putting them towards the edge, as we're going to take a few and we can try again. So this is another example. We're going to take a cutting, we're going to remove this leaf, and remove this one, remove the top, and we've got the stem on an angle, and we're just going to stick that one in, and we'll see what happens. Don't like to waste things. This one's probably a bit too young, but we'll give it a go. So we're just looking for some more established This one looks good. So we'll take it down by a node. We're going to chop whatever leaves off, and we'll chop this off. And we'll stick that. So here we go. We've got some rose cuttings. So it'd be nice to get some more of these. We're going to get a water, and then we're done. Sorted. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe if not subscribed. Ring the bell, get notifications when I post some more, and join us to watch this rose come out and bloom again. So thank you very much. Please leave me a comment, and I like reading all your comments and reply to all your messages. So thank you very much. Cheers for now. Bye.